guys, so the TFT Dash navigation update is finally ready for road testing. So I've got the navigation update installed on my TFT Dash, and we're just going to give it a road test, and we're going to hopefully see it in action. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate to you how it works. So at the moment I've got just the TFT Dash is booted. If I hit the select button, I've got the normal panes that you would see there. Now I'm just going to unlock my phone, and this is the app that will soon be available on the App Store. But I'm just going to launch that, and you'll see up here, it'll say, if you can make that out, TFT Dash connected. So now I can set a destination. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to program in a destination. I'm just going to search for a petrol station. So search. So there's a petrol station about 3 miles away. Right, so now it'll basically, you'll see these prompts coming up. Now what I want to demonstrate is this in action. So see these numbers start counting down, and the road names change. So when I get to that roundabout, I want to, you know, see the next direction that I have to take and when I have to take it in. So let's get the bike started up, and yeah, and let's go for a quick ride and just see this in action. So I've just completed a right turn onto this road, and you can see that the TFT Dash has updated and is currently displaying the next step. So in 0.8 miles I have to turn left onto Tippendale Lane. So we'll just let that count down. So as you can see here, that as I'm travelling along, that number then counts down to the next step of the navigation step that I have to do. So it's now gone down to 0.6 miles, and so let's just wait and see what happens when we get to that step, which won't be too long. Apologies for the camera vibration. What's happening here is the phone that's in my pocket is sending regular Bluetooth updates to the TFT Dash. So your phone's actually doing the navigation, and it's just sending the step updates via Bluetooth. The TFT Dash then interprets that and displays the correct icon and the distance to the destination, the next part of the destination, with the road names and place names. So now we've got to under 350 yards, and we're now into yard mode, and it counts down the number of yards that I have to travel to the next step. So just to give you an idea of how close that step is. So like a traditional sat nav would do. So I'm going to now make that left turn, and so yep. So now the next step is in 0.3 miles to continue to the roundabout and take the second exit. So that's a good demonstration of how the navigation update will work. And when we get below 350 yards, it will switch to yards and start counting down, just to give you an idea that that navigation step is quite close, and you'll have to do something fairly soon. Right, so overall that was a good test. It was a successful test. It has highlighted a couple of bugs I need to work out, which weren't present in my first version, and that's mainly to do with the iPhone app. So I noticed that when I was going along and I'd made a turn, I turned left onto a road it was telling me to turn left onto. Once I'd made that turn, it didn't immediately come up with the next instruction, and I do know why that is, and it's to do with the amount of times it sends the Bluetooth update, and I've got it to do it every 10 yards if your distance to the step is under 350 yards, but it seems to be a little bug, so when the step changes, it didn't update. So I just wanted to check if it was a Bluetooth thing, and it wasn't, because the step that was shown on the TFT dash was exactly the same step that was shown here at the bottom on the iPhone app. So little bug to work out, and once I've done that, I'll go through a few more road tests before I am happy to release this update. But some good progress though, and it's coming along really well. So yeah, thanks for watching.